Okay, I am going to click my fingers because I want to, and it feels good. Today's April 13th, 2026. Come on, iPad, show me the date. Yeah. I hate when you click on your iPad, it shows covering up camera, and then it shows 100% and covering up camera, and then the date. It's like I wanted to show it right now. And it's at 9:08 in the morning, Mountain Time, on April 13th. Anyways, I pretty much correct all these. Thanks for watching. Oh, and this is what I'm talking about. I want to see the date, right? But I want to see the date. Of course, it's not doing it right now, but when I did it over there, it did it. Anyways.